Freddie, what were you eating? What were you eating? Chocolate? Can you say chocolate? Chocolate. Say chocolate. Very good. Is it yummy? Mmm. Are you a lion? Oh, it's so scary. What does Santa say? Ho, 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 ho. He says, Merry Christmas. Can you say Christmas?
Christmas.
All right. See ya. Bye. See ya.